Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Gemini. Something went wrong, please try again later. Error with code 1081 on Android and iPhone. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test it. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And second, go to phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for Gemini, tap on Gemini app and again tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission and back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Gemini, tap on Gemini. Now check update your Gemini app. My Gemini app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now tap on open option and again tap on enter your question and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share now.